What we've got off to is an amazing start, but I think we'll be able to tease and reveal over the next 2 years exciting times to put a full-service carrier into the market, operating from the hub of Riyadh. It's absolutely super exciting for all of us within the Riyadh Air family because it's a startup. We have no legacy. That's probably the greatest gift that we possess. But we have to build everything from the ground up. What we're talking about here is first and foremost sourcing an ability for the kingdom to connect to the world and the world to connect to the kingdom. If you've now decided you do want to visit, and the place is incredible in terms of destination attraction, it's how do I get there? How do I have an incredible experience? And the answer in the future to that, of course, is Riyadh Air.